So, you want to work in Switzerland, but you have to learn German first. It can't possibly be that hard, right? So, you spend half a year going to intensive German lessons. Great. Good for you. As soon as you go out on the streets, everybody's speaking Swiss German. So it's not Guten Tag, like you learned in the classroom. It's Grüezi and Egwette and Samlet Sie Märkli. And then there's the waiter who will understand tap water or Hanewasser. But Leitungswasser, keine Chance. When he came to Switzerland, he skipped High German and just learned Swiss German. So there's no point in showing off your classroom skills in that restaurant. So, as soon as you're getting along well enough to order a Stange gern, along comes someone from the next town over and they speak the language completely differently. So you understand Pfeifliebe, but suddenly it's Schneck. And you know Hitski, but Gluckski? Kai Anik. And everyone's trying to get you to talk about small kitchen cupboards for some reason. Gut. After a few years of this, you start to understand most of what's going on, but suddenly, people from Germany don't understand you anymore. You didn't even notice when your vowels slipped from aus to us. And how are you supposed to know that parkieren was a Swiss word and parken was the German word? They're the native speakers. They had to have learned öppis. And then, someone from Romandie comes along, and you realize that you've worked so hard at learning German, you've completely forgotten your French. Gottverdammt nochmal. Nå, Schumli Plumli?